Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you get Roblox to work. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and strong. A weak signal can prevent the game from loading. Next, check the official Roblox server status page to see if there are any ongoing outages affecting the platform. Finally, a simple restart of your computer or mobile device can often clear up minor glitches and allow Roblox to launch smoothly. These initial steps are crucial for a quick fix. To ensure Roblox runs smoothly, verify your device meets the minimum system requirements, which typically include a processor from the last 10 years and at least 1 GB of RAM. Always keep your operating system, like Windows or Mac OS, and your graphics drivers updated to their latest versions for optimal performance. Additionally, make sure your web browser, such as Chrome or Firefox, is current, as an outdated browser can sometimes cause issues with the Roblox website. If you are still facing issues, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve many loading problems by removing old, corrupted data. Also, temporarily disable any ad blockers or other browser extensions, as they might interfere with Roblox's functionality. If the problem persists, a clean reinstallation of the Roblox player application can often fix corrupted game files, ensuring you have the freshest version installed on your system. For more persistent problems, you might need to adjust your firewall or antivirus settings to explicitly allow Roblox access, as these security programs can sometimes block the game. If you are using an older operating system, running Roblox in compatibility mode might help resolve specific issues. If, after trying all these solutions, Roblox still isn't working, do not hesitate to contact Roblox support directly for personalized assistance and further troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.